The question generally is, I wonder if the exam will be similar to what we saw in college. So based on our college exams, we had to work a lot of derivations. We had to show our work, things like that. This exam isn't going to be like that. We're not going to have to pump out, like you saw in problem number 4, a complete derivation to an answer. It's actually going to provide as much of the information that we derived for that problem. But we're going to have to plug that information out, find the right formulas, be able to actually implement those formulas. So that's the most important part. So in the sense of deriving all the way down to the solution, very complicated formulas, not going to be the case. However, being able to recall what type of problem this is real quickly will be a big deal. So tonight we did stresses and beams. We went through 4 different scenarios where we used pretty much one formula for the first 3 and then transverse shear stress. We're gonna have to know real quick where that falls in our NCES reference handbook. If we can get to that point real quick, look at the formula and recall back to these cram sessions, we're gonna be able to solve them real fast. So that's another thing, is that this exam does allow us that NCES reference handbook. Even though it is closed book, that reference handbook is going to be solid gold, and that's why we train you guys up in it in our Prepineer program, so that you're very familiar and going back and forth to recall certain formulas and just jog your mind and your memory.